everyone, I'm Arunima from Knit to Knotter, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make the foundation single crochet row. This is an important technique which I've learned along the way, and it helps me a lot when I'm making single crochet foundation rows. And the best part about it is that I don't have to keep track of my chain. I'm not that seems to be the hardest part for me, to make sure that I have the right number of stitches on my chain and I get my foundation row right. So this technique helps a lot. So here it is. It's not hard at all. I'm going to start with making a slip knot. Here it is. And so what we're really doing with this foundation single crochet row is we're making the base chain and the first row of single crochet stitches together at the same time. So you start with making 2 chain, 1 and 2, and then we'll find the first one, we'll insert our hook there, yarn over, pull through, make sure it's not tight, and then yarn over, chain 1. So that right there is the bottom chain. So that is the first chain that we made for the bottom of the our foundation row. So this here is the base chain, and on this side is where we'll make our single crochet. So here you go. So this is the base chain, and this is 1 single crochet stitch. So this is how it looks at the bottom, and this is how it looks at the top. So I'm going to continue making these. So how you make the next one is you just made that base chain, so you find the 2 loops here. Well, 1 loop, but two vertical bars here. So you pick both of them and you make the base chain there. So you pick both of them, yarn over, pull through. Again, make sure it's nice and loose, and then chain 1 and then yarn over, pull through 2. So this is how it looks with 2 stitches. So these are the 2 base chain stitches, and these are the 2 top single crochet stitches. So that's 1 and that's 2. I'm going to continue making a few more so you can see how it grows. So again, find the 2 bars of the chain that you just made, yarn over, pull through, again nice and loose, yarn over, chain 1 and yarn over, pull through 2. So that's 3 foundation stitches, sorry, 3 stitches in the foundation row. Now this is the 4th chain, pull through 2. The 5th, again find the 2 vertical bars right here and yarn over, pull through, nice and loose, chain 1 and pull through 2. So we'll keep going, and you can make as many stitches as you need in your foundation row without having to deal with the initial chain and then making your foundation chain all over, foundation stitches on top of that. So here, I'm going to stop here. I have lost count, so let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 stitches. So you can see that this is nice and stretchy. If you make these tight, the foundation row won't, it'll be a little warped, like it'll be like this instead of straight. And if you see, the bottom is almost like a chain, here, and the top is a row of single crochet stitches. So to work on top of this, you just have to, say if I were making another row of single crochets on top of it, I would just turn, chain one, and then make my single crochet stitches. So I'll make one row here. So here it is, one row of single crochet stitches on top of the foundation row. So if you see that foundation row chain looks just as it would if you made the chain first and created single crochet stitches on top. And this is the reverse side, this is the front side. So that's pretty much all there is to make the foundation row. If you have any questions about this technique, please leave me a message and I will get back to you. And I have other tutorials on my channel, so if you're looking for something, you're welcome to check my channel out. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.